The last year, 2009 and 10 has been a very good year for Mahindra. Our domestic volumes grew nearly 30%, and we had launched new products. The Xylo was a major product we had launched in the last financial year. It achieved major success, and our market share in the utility vehicle segment, which we were already market leaders at 56%, went to 62%. Within the auto sector, there are two segments clearly. One is the passenger segment, and one is the commercial segment, which is for load carrying segment. We already had a presence which we have consolidated further in three-wheelers and in the pickup segment. But the mini truck segment was one area where we did not come out, and this was a segment which was dominated by basically one company and which had over 90% market share. When we came to this market, we looked at that the product which we give has to offer much more. It should not be a me-too product. It should be a product which offers much more. So Maximo is a product which we launched which offers more in terms of every aspect of a vehicle. More in terms of power, more in terms of fuel efficiency, more in terms of saving potential when you operate this vehicle, more in terms of safety, security, and more also in terms of comfort and conveniences. The unique part of this vehicle is the first time in the world when a twin-cylinder CRD engine has been put in a small commercial vehicle, and that's a unique feature. And this CRD engine technology was brought into cars first, so that's a unique feature, and that has given the major performance of this product. AP, AP for us is a very important market because in our smaller vehicle, three-wheeler segment, in the passenger and load, AP is number one market for us. So I would say about 15 to 18% of our national volumes in the commercial segment comes from AP. To that extent, the Maximo launch is very important for us because we have a very strong presence here in the three-wheeler segment and also in the pickup segment. And it's a market which is growing. We believe this market has enough potential. So, and when we have launched this product, we have geared up in a manner that we have service available in more than 75 locations in the state. Sales outlets will be there, but service is a very important part. So backup service has been geared up totally before we have launched this product. As my colleague also mentioned, we don't talk of targets at all. We believe कि as they say in Gita, कर्म किए जा फल की चिंता मत कर. कर्म अगर ठीक होगा तो फल भी ठीक ही आएगा. So we have achieved good market share in the very start. I mean, in the commercial vehicle to garner 25% market share in 4-5 months is very difficult because commercial customers, unlike personal car customers, do wait and watch the product for a long time. So that is the confidence they've got that in this short span of 3-4 months, whichever markets we have launched, we have gained 25% market share. We invested on this Maximo platform to the tune of about 350 crore rupees. That's the platform we have invested in, and this will be this platform will help us also to launch much more number of variants or applications on this platform. Launch is a continuous part of life, so it will continue. I mean, there will be more products launched in other segments also and in this segment also. So we believe that we have 3-4 launches every year, so we definitely will do more better than this year than the last year. Thank you.